Hi everyone, it's Kino here. This is Everyday Strength and we're gonna do some strength-based movements to help you integrate that lesson into your life and also your yoga practice. So close your eyes, bring your hands together, a deep breath in. As you exhale, let's gently rest the hands down. Connect in with your breath, your body, your mind, and set the intention for all to be in harmony and alignment. And then a long, deep breath in. And a long, deep breath out. Let's open the eyes. Okay, let's bring it out to arms out to a T shape. So now let's inhale. Let's take arms out to a T shape. Good, we're gonna separate the shoulders. You're gonna hold for 5 breaths. And we have 1. Draw the navel in. 2. Very good, deep breaths. 3. Nice, easy does it. 4. So we're warming up the shoulders and we're also bringing a little bit of awareness into how the shoulders work as well, which is very important for strength work. And we'll do 1 more breath. Nice. Now let's do shoulder rolls. Let's keep it small and tight and we'll roll the shoulders forward. Good, do it about 5 times. Doing well, let's do a few more. Nice. Okay, reverse direction, bring it back. Good. Okay. Now do like a couple more. All right, back to a T shape, reach, reach, reach. Good, the arm is getting a little fatigued, that's okay. Now let's go for bigger circles. Give me slow and big. Very good. 3 more, reach the end of the movement, the top of the movement, the end of the movement. The top of the movement. 2 more. The end of the movement. Top of the movement. 1 more. Hold it at the top of the circle. Reverse directions. Good job. We're going to do about 5 of them. So we're going to do about 4 more. Good. Give me 3 more. Nice. Give me 2 more. All right. Give me last one. All the way back to a T shape. Good. Nice, shake it out, release the neck over to the side, drop the shoulder, good. Release the neck to the other side, drop the shoulder, very good. Bring it back up. Okay, now how about we do a plank pose? I'm a big fan of plank poses. I think planks are so good to build strength. So let's come over onto your hands and knees. Bring your hands shoulder width apart, your knees together. Pitch the shoulders a little bit forward. And let's hold with the knees down for 5 breaths. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pitch the shoulders a little more forward and let's step both legs back and up and come on up into plank. And we have 1, 2, 3. Good, keep it fired up for 4. Almost there. 5. Now, I want you to slowly come so much forward so you roll over your toes. This is toe point plank. It's quite hard. So if you need a break, come on down, but we'll hold for 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it back to regular plank. Sink the knees down. Separate the feet. Exhale, we'll bend the elbows and come down. Inhale, upward facing. Big breath in. Exhale, downward facing, all the way out. Good, let's stay for 5 breaths. Downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, steady breathing. 4, almost there. 5, let's switch the gaze forward and exhale. I want you to sink the knees down. Let's swipe the knees around and then slowly roll the spine down. We're going to come onto the back. Work a little strength from lying down. I'm going to continue our awareness of the shoulders. So I'd like you to grab a yoga block or a heavy object. Hold the object above your head for 5 breaths. Not exactly above your head, but towards the ceiling. It's kind of above the heart, actually. Good. So we have 2. I'm going to press your shoulder blades into the ground. 3, 4, and 5. Then let's slowly lift the object above the head And then we're going to keep the shoulder blades into the ground. Try not to touch it down so the weight of the object helps stabilize the shoulders for 3, 4, 5. Inhale, we bring it back. And now we're going to practice. Exhale, bend your elbows. Sink the elbows into the ground. Inhale, press your shoulders. Straighten the arms. 2 more times. Bend your elbows. Squeeze it down. Inhale, press. Bring it up. And bend the elbows. Bring it down. And press. Straighten. Bring it up. 2 more times. Bend your elbows. Press the elbows into the ground. Inhale. Press your shoulder blades into the ground. Last one. Bend your elbows. And then push to straighten and hold for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Move your blocks over to the side. And now I'd like you to bend both knees up into your chest and just give yourself a little squeeze and a hug under here. Very good. Now extend the left leg and lift your head up and hold on to your right shin bone and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. Hold. 1, 2. Any pressure in the neck, you're going to hold on to your neck for 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3. Try to hold the body up with itself. Don't strain the neck, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring both knees in. Exhale. Bring it down. Nice. You want to feel the core really working there. And now, inhale, we bring it up. Roll your spine up, hold, and behind the head. Now, faster. We're going to extend the right leg and the left leg like a bicycle. So we go 1, good, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do 10. So that's 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10, bring both knees in and squeeze it in, hold it, hold it, hold it, and feet down. Good, let's bring both knees over to one side. Very good. Relax. Good, bring both knees over to the other side. Relax. Very good. And back to the center, hands on the ground. You're going to release the front body with a little bridge. Interlace the fingers and hips up. For 1, 2, soften the abdomen. 3, soften the diaphragm. 4, see if you can soften the glutes. 5, exhale down. Very good. Let your sacrum rest on the ground for a moment. And exhale, let's lie all the way down. Good. Relax, steady, feel your breath, feel your body. Remember that intention to let everything come into alignment. Very good. Now let's slowly reawaken the body, feeling the heartbeat just gently slow down. We'll gently find the way to draw the knees up into the chest, rolling over onto the side, and all the way back up. Good. Take a moment with the eyes closed. Tune in again to breath, body, and mind. Allow your hands in prayer. A deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.